Alright you guys, today we're going to check out how to create some glowing scribble animation here in After Effects without plugins. Let's go and create a new composition, rename it, and I'm going to go with these settings. Click OK, and I'm going to drag and drop the video into the composition. Now in order to create a glowing scribble, you're going to need like a dark image. So I'm going to select this layer, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to uncheck the first layer, select the second layer, and I'm going to go to the Effects and Presets, type in Hue Saturation, drag the Hue Saturation on the first layer. And I'm going to go to the master lightness, decrease it. And I'm also going to search for curves, drag the curves under the hue. And here I'm going to add some contrast. And there it is. And I'm going to select the top layer, activate. And as you can see, we don't have any contrast on this, but don't worry about it. So let's go and select the brush tool right here. And then here you can see we got the brush settings. You can increase the density or decrease. You also can change up the angle. You also can tweak the roundness. I'm going to make it more rounded. And here you also got the hardness, it's on 100, you can make it more blurry and fully customize it however you like. You also can see the size is set on pen pressure, and I highly recommend you to use a graphic pen. If you don't have it, you can use the mouse. Right now I'm going to work with the mouse. And scroll down, here we got the paint, and make sure that the duration is on single frame. If you don't have these options, you can go to the windows and select the brushes and the paint. So now we can go and paint. So as you can see, it is not doing anything. And what we're going to need to do is double click on the video, and it's going to open up another window separately. And check this out, you can paint on this. So I'm going to go back to the brush, decrease the dimension, and start painting on it. So this is the first frame. Now I'm going to need to redraw this on every single frame. So what you need to do is press and hold Ctrl and press the right arrow. So it's going to jump a frame. Now I'm going to draw again. Press and hold Ctrl plus a right arrow again, and just repeat the steps over and over again. Alright, so I created this animation till the first second, and I'm going to bring the work area to the first second, so it is going to look something like this. Great, so now we're going to work on the glow. I'm going to balance it on this image, and make sure that you're on the top layer, and check this out, here we got the paint. And let's check the paint on transparent. So now you can see that the top layer is transparent, and it's going to show the version of the video with high contrast and a darker image. So I'm going to go to the Effects and Presets, type in Glow, and drag it under the paint. Here I'm going to decrease the glow threshold to 0, and I'm going to increase the glow radius. You also can increase the glow intensity. You also can set the colors. You got color A and color B, but first you're going to need to go to the glow colors and change it to A and B colors. And this way you can set it, for example, red. And maybe a yellow. Click OK. And I can go back to the color radius, increase or decrease, work on the intensity, and check this out. Hit play. And that's how I make a glowing scribble animation here in After Effects. Thanks for watching.